What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So we are about to do a fidget spinner challenge. So we do epic stuff with this. Fidget. So we do some tricks. Do a lot of things with this. Or anything. So each video is gonna be like that. So, hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Please leave a comment down below what else for this video you want me to do. Because I got tons in my head. So, first off, we have to do this downstairs.
So you can pretend.
So, right now, I'm in my dad's house. And he's snoring. He's watching TV. So, we're about to do this, right? Oh, yeah. Oh, here it goes. So, here it is. So, yeah. So, we're about to do it right now. So, please like, subscribe, leave a comment. What else fidget spinner you want me to do? So, fidget spinner video do you want me to do? So, let's get right into it. So, I'll do some tricks. If you have this one, this is what I really like to do. I like to spin it like that. Just look at it, cause it looks nice like that. See, it's so bright and it goes fast. The other ones, got this one, no bearings. Got matte black on it, whatever it is. And could do awesome tricks like this. This one could really go in the dark, but it isn't right now. It has to be really dark, you know. Hold on. Let me teach you guys. So, if you want to do it like that, get this finger right here, go like that. If you want to do some tricks, boom. If you want to go like that on the same finger, you can do it too. I'm telling you, could do awesome stuff with this, and I like these.